Give me some time to get stronger. I'll be okay, just give me a little bit longer. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye, it's never goodbye till it's over. Come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never.
Good morning. So we are going for yoga session this morning. While doing the yoga session in the morning, you can do it all by yourself or you can take some help and ask for suggestions. You can talk to Himani in the reception, and I am seriously lucky that I could do it with you. She is a famous model actually who is turned into yoga teacher at this moment. So you are liking it here away from the stresses, or it feels like you are missing out many things?
I am not missing out on
Not
anything.
missing out, right?
How can you miss
Miss
anything?
out.
You're surrounded by nature, so you cannot
Cannot
miss
miss out anything. Hello guys, so we are going for trekking this morning and I'm always excited, and that is a good physical activity. You should never avoid going for a trek. This is going to be a small and easy trek. I want to see some waterfalls also because it rained. Anuj bhai hai hamare saath. Hello. He said it's 15 minutes, but we have to see, okay? Sometimes like they say that it's 15-20 minutes and then it takes 1 hour or 2 hours for, you know, for other people. आप ये क्यों लेके जा रहे हो?
यहाँ पे
कुछ एनिमल्स तो नहीं आ जाते?
आ जाते हैं।
Oh my god. You know, leopards are found in this area, so you should be careful. We found the waterfall. Look there, it looks amazing. So we are very excited. So let's just see if we can make it down there. Chale? Okay, we are here. This is the waterfall. Yeah, this one. The waterfall is here, but the pool is down there, and it rained. It might not be really safe to go down there till the pool area, but we are definitely go halfway, I guess. I'm not that expert. I'll take help of Anuj bhai also. So yes, it is a little bit of risky, but if you are careful, it should be fine. But wherever we find risk, we will avoid going down. Look, guys, we are so close to the waterfall. So the name of this trek is Anubhav and we thoroughly enjoyed it. It's so worth it. If you are coming to Punarnava, you should not miss this trek. So I'm going to sit here for some time and probably meditate and just enjoy and relax in the jungle here. It's so relaxing and it is such a good experience. So the best part is that it's a very small trek. It took us around 15-20 minutes. And you reach to this beautiful waterfall. Guys, do always remember one thing, that do not throw away plastic, chips, chocolate, wrappers, everything here while doing the trekking. Keep the nature clean, be a responsible traveler and have fun in the nature. So I hope you enjoyed watching our video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Guys, stay tuned because we are going to bring more travel content very frequently from India, from abroad, from some unexplored places. Traveler, we are always visiting so many places. So while in Uttarakhand, we decided to spend few days in the Punarnava resort. While coming inside the Punarnava resort, I felt I'm going to a luxury resort. But after coming inside, what I experienced was totally stunning. This is a paradise. What an amazing luxury stay with all the wellness facilities. That is why it is called the wellness destination. From yoga, meditation, spa, swimming, cycling, trekking, everything that you require. And most importantly, good food as well. So I thought, why not to meet the owner and listen from him what was his vision when he built Punarnava and created a paradise like this.
पुनर्नवा का मतलब पुनर् यस्य इति नवा ततो नाम पुनर्नवा भवेत्, अर्थात रिजुवेनेट, रिवाइव एंड refresh. Peace, privacy and prosperity.
Right.
3P are the indication of the Punarnava. So friends, we welcome. It is not only luxury, it is a paradise of well-being, a paradise of wellness.